Okay, in this video, I'm going to give you a formula that solves a very specific type of quadratic equation. So before I give you the formula, let's think about this question. Suppose x squared equals 4. Then what is x? What is the value of x? Now, someone might say the answer is 2, because 2 squared equals 4. But that answer is only partially correct, because there is the second solution. The second solution is negative 2, because negative 2 squared is also 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Okay, so there are two solutions, positive 2 and negative 2. And that's actually the formula. If x squared equals a number, then the solutions of this equation are positive or negative of square root of a. So for this example, x is positive or negative square root of 4, which is positive or negative 2. So forgetting the negative solution is a very common mistake, so beware of that. Okay, let's take a look at the next examples. Okay, in this next example, we have x squared equals 3. And the solutions of this equation are x equals positive or negative square root of 3. Now this is the simplest form because 3 is not a perfect square. Okay, the next example, x squared equals negative 25. The same formula, we have x equals plus minus square root of negative 25. It doesn't matter whether this number on the right hand side is positive or negative or 0. Just put the number in the radical sign, and that's the solution. Now we can actually simplify this number because the negative sign in the radical sign turns into the number I, and 25 is a perfect square, so if you separate the negative sign and 25, this is square root of 25 times square root of negative 1. And square root of 25 is 5, square root of negative 1 is I, so two solutions are positive 5i and negative 5i. Okay, now let's look at the next question. 4x squared equals 9. Before we apply the formula, we want to separate x squared. So we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. Then we're going to get x squared equals 9 over 4. Then apply the formula. Then x is plus or minus square root of 9 over 4. And that's plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have two solutions, positive and negative 3/2.